I just want to go to the heart of the book. What do you think animal intelligence reveals about human stupidity?
Well, the thing is, like, the basic conclusion is, like, we can do really complicated things, right? We can think about the future. We can go to the moon. We can invent medicine and science and technology, and it's all great, and it clearly has improved our everyday lives. But the basic issue I have with our species is that if you look at the world around us now, with like the climate emergency and other things, like, people are very concerned that we might not make it as a species for another few centuries. And the reason would be because of all of those things, because of our technology and our science and our intelligence. And so if you step back and look at the big picture, you're like, well, maybe being intelligent isn't that great, because other species that don't do that have been around for millions of years, not making themselves extinct. So that's sort of the take home message. Like, yes, on an everyday level, being intelligent is great for us, but in the long term, maybe not so great.